What legal strategies protect assets from neurological long-term care costs? When facing the challenge of long-term care for neurological conditions like brain cancer, planning ahead can make a big difference. Protecting your assets while qualifying for government assistance requires careful legal steps. One effective method is setting up an irrevocable Medicaid asset protection trust. This type of trust allows you to transfer ownership of assets out of your name into a trust managed by a trustee. Because the assets are no longer owned directly, they are generally not counted when Medicaid evaluates your eligibility. Keep in mind, these trusts need to be established at least 5 years before applying for Medicaid to avoid penalties due to the program's 5-year look-back period. This strategy helps preserve wealth for your family while ensuring you can access necessary long-term care benefits. Another key approach involves spousal protections. If one spouse needs long-term care, Medicaid allows the healthy spouse, called the community spouse, to keep a portion of the couple's assets and income. This is known as the Community Spouse Resource Allowance. By strategically allocating assets to the spouse not requiring care, you can protect family wealth and still meet Medicaid's eligibility requirements. You can also convert certain assets into exempt assets to reduce the countable resources. For example, your primary residence may be exempt if a spouse or certain family members continue to live there. Prepaying funeral expenses or purchasing exempt assets like personal belongings or certain insurance policies can also help lower your countable assets, making it easier to qualify for Medicaid without losing everything. Purchasing a Medicaid-compliant annuity is another useful strategy. This involves converting assets into an income stream that Medicaid recognizes, which can reduce your countable assets. It's important that the annuity complies with Medicaid rules to avoid penalties. Often, this approach is combined with other planning tools for maximum benefit. Transferring ownership of your home through a life estate is another option. This allows you to transfer the property to a family member while retaining the right to live there until death. This arrangement can protect your home from being counted as an asset for Medicaid purposes, helping ensure your residence stays within the family. Long-term care insurance is a proactive financial tool that can cover care costs directly. While it isn't a legal trust, purchasing a policy can help preserve your assets by paying for care without needing to spend down your savings or qualify for Medicaid. It's a smart way to plan ahead and protect your financial security. Gifting assets to family members can also be part of a legal strategy, but timing is critical. Gifts made outside the 5-year look-back window generally do not affect Medicaid eligibility. However, last-minute gifts or improper transfers can lead to penalties and delays in receiving benefits, so careful planning with a legal professional is essential. Living with a neurological condition like brain cancer makes early legal planning vital. Because long-term care can be costly and complex, working with experienced elder law or estate planning attorneys is highly recommended. They can help tailor strategies to your specific situation, ensuring you maximize your options and protect both your health and your family's financial future. Remember, these legal strategies do not interfere with your medical care or treatment decisions. Instead, they provide a financial framework that supports your long-term care needs while safeguarding your assets. Consulting with legal and financial professionals ensures your plan is personalized and effective, giving you peace of mind during a challenging time.